Hello friends, today I tell you how you can withdraw your USDT in Lucky Part-Time app. To withdraw your USDT, you need a app named Binance. This is a very trusted app, so you can trust on it. So, first of all, I share a Binance app register link in YouTube video description, so you can check it there. Click on the link and simple enter your email address and a password your password and simple click on register. Simple click on create account option. Simply enter your email address and password and now you have to fill the captcha, that is you can slide this and match this one. Now the OTP is going to your email address. Simply enter the OTP which comes to your email address and verify that account. After registration, simply enter your OTP here. Okay, now you have successfully registered on the Binance. Now you have to do that work. You have to simply go on Play Store and search Binance app. Binance, simply search Binance and click on install and install the Binance app. I repeat, install Binance app from Play Store. I already installed, so it is showing open option. Okay, now you open when open the app first time, then you have to log in or sign up. Then you already signed up, so you have to put your registered email ID. You get an option like register login with email address and login with a mobile number. So you have to simply enter your mobile number, simply enter your registered email ID and password, and simply you can log in into the Binance account. You have to you have to do same captcha again. This cannot be recorded because this is protected content, so you can do it by yourself also. Okay, when you log in that one, then wait for it. Now the apps open. Yes, you get an email verification code. After you enter email verification code for login purpose, then you can simply log in into your Binance app. This is two-step verification, so they give you a login code. Simply log in, simply click then success. When you open the Binance app first time and log in, then you see this window. Now you have to do that, you have to verify your account. First of all, you click on that option which I shown to you and click on Binance Lite option, which yellow color. Yes, click on this. Now this window comes to Binance Pro. This interface I liked it. I love that interface. This is much easier than that interface. So now I tell you how you can do KYC. After that I tell you how you can deposit your USDT and how you can withdraw that USDT in your bank account, Indian bank account. You can withdraw any in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, etc. All countries, no worry. Okay, simply click on complete authentication or authentication, and you can also click on verify option in your my account section. You get personal details, click on verify. Okay, now you have to enter basic information as your first name and last name, date of birth, residential address, and you have to enter identity and facial verification, and you have to upload your photo ID and take a picture. Now you have to click on that start option, so you can proceed to do your KYC. Before now, you can select your country India and basic information, and now click on start. You have to enter your PAN card number. Remember, if you have not your PAN card number, then you cannot do your KYC in Binance app. If you have below 18 years age, then you can also don't do your KYC, because it is mandatory to have your 18 years age. Now enter your full name and your date of birth, and now you can enter your residential address and your PIN code and your city. After entering that information, you can simply click on agree terms and condition option, and you can simply click on continue option. I fill that option. After that, I proceed to next window. Simply you can fill that information, and you can proceed to I tell you how you can do the next step. Now the next step is you have to select your document. You can select your ID card. You can also do your KYC by Aadhaar card, but you remember you have to at least 18 years age. Now click on ID card and continue, and you have to upload your front image and your back page image. Like Aadhaar card, your picture is appears, which is your front image, and back side is your back image. After uploading, you can simply click on remember, the file size should not be much greater than 5 MB. Simply click on continue, and in advanced verification you have to upload your selfie. You can simply take photo, and you can also upload your photo in that. You can simply take photo and upload photo to do the verification of your picture. I suggest you to take your photo. This is better than uploading the photo, because this is better. After your basic verification is completed, you see the green mark arrow, and after your ID verification is completed, you can also see green mark arrow at your ID verification. After both verification done, you can do your trading and withdraw your USDT to your bank account. This will actually take 1 to 2 hours. Sometimes it will take 24 to 48 hours. So wait for it for your KYC done. Then you can simply withdraw your USDT to your bank account. So wait for 24 hours. Then your KYC will be done if you fill correct information. Now I am going to my main account. Okay. Now I tell you how you can add your payment method, so you can receive your payment in your bank account. After your KYC is done, you can simply enter your bank account number. You can simply enter your bank account or UPI or Paytm etc. to receive your payment. Click on P2P payment method option. Click on P2P payment method, and now you have to add a payment method, but I cannot add because I am not verified yet. After my KYC is done, then I can simply add my payment method. Okay, I have my personal account which is already verified, which I using for years. Then I tell you how you can see this is my previous account which I already verified. This is my main account. You can see the verified tag on my account. Now I tell you how you can add your payment method when your KYC is successfully done. Okay, now click on payment method option. Okay, after that you have to enter a P2P payment method option. Now you can see I have already added many payment method options. Now you simply click on add payment method option. You can add Paytm, UPI, bank account etc. But remember, all the accounts on the same name which is registered on Binance. If you registered with name Abhinav Kumar, then you have same name on your bank account, Paytm etc. You can enter your account number, IFSC code, account type, bank name. I suggest you to enter all details. Means you have to enter your bank account details, Paytm details. You can fill all one, because many sellers do. You can enter account type as a saving account or current account, IFSC code, bank name. What is your bank name? Account opening branch, it is optional. no need to enter no need to enter. Okay, you can enter bank name. After that you can click on confirm, because I suggest you to do add all payment method option, because many sellers accept UPI payments, many sellers accept bank account payments, many sellers accept all types of payments. So it is better to add all type of payments so you can be better. Okay, you can also add your Paytm account number, but remember that Paytm account is on the same name which is registered to your Binance account. Okay, you can enter your account number and you can upload your Paytm QR code. You can see Paytm option, IMPS option, UPI option, and bank transfer option is available here. Okay, now the after your KYC you also added your bank information, as so now you are ready to receive your payment and transfer that amount to your bank account. You can also add your mobile number in Binance account, but it is not necessary to add, so you can skip it also. Okay, now I tell you how you can deposit USDT from Lucky Part Time to Binance account. Now I tell you how you can deposit your USDT to click on wallet. Simply click on wallet and click on deposit. Okay, now yes, first of all you can change your currency as INR, so you can be better. Click on currency payment method preference. You can change it. Now you can see my value shows is in INR. Okay, now click on deposit. Now search on the search bar USDT. Click on this and simply please watch that portion of video carefully, because this is very important. You have to enter, simply scroll and see TRC20 address. Simply you scroll that and you see TRC20 address. You have to enter TRC20 address in Lucky Part Time to receive your payment. If you enter any other address, then you don't receive any payment from Lucky Part Time. Simply click on TRC20 and you see address of your wallet. Simply click on copy. You can copy that address. Simply click on copy that one. Yes, simply click on that one, then you can successfully copy. Now comes on your Lucky Part Time app. Now we will come to Lucky Part Time app, so we can add our wallet address to Lucky Part Time app. Click on my section and simply go on payment setting option. Okay, simply go on payments, click on USDT address list. Simply click on add USDT address. Now you have to paste your address here. Simply paste that address and you can enter anything in remarks like Binance. Okay, now you have successfully added your USDT address to your Lucky Part Time app. Now click on withdraw and simply click on your address. Simply click on your USDT address and simply enter your amount. Minimum withdrawal is Rs 500 and tax is 1 USDT on every transaction. Now you can withdraw your amount from this. After you receive your amount, you see that message, you have successfully deposited it 15 USDT. This is my previous withdrawal. I don't do live withdrawal because I have not money that time in my Lucky Part Time app. So you can simply withdraw. After you withdraw, you see the deposit option and you get your money in that spot wallet. You see your money in that wallet. After that, after the process you have to done, click on the transfer option to transfer that amount in P2P wallet, so you can transfer this in your bank account. So simply click on transfer. I repeat, simply click on transfer after you receive your amount in that wallet. Simply click on transfer and simply click on BTC. Yes, click on BTC. Now search USDT. Okay, now click on maximum. You can enter any amount or you can enter maximum. Click on max. Okay, now click on transfer. Now you can click on cancel, or you can directly go to P2P trading also. Simply click cancel. Now I tell you how you can do P2P trading to transfer your money to your bank account. Simply go to P2P option, that P2P option, which is, I tell you again, simply click on P2P option. I again tell you, simply click on P2P option, because that money comes to your P2P wallet after you transfer that money from a spot wallet. So you can do your P2P in your local currency. Click on P2P trading option, so you can transfer your money to your local currency like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, etc. Now you are ready to sell your USDT to your Indian currency. Simply read that risk notice. Now I tell you how you can sell your USDT. Simply click on the sell option. After that, you see many people which are selling USDT there. But remember, check which person is legit or not. This is real person or fake person. For this, you can simply check how many trades that person is doing. You can check this person doing 1284 trades. So this person is very good. This person has completion rate 95%. But this person has limit. This person minimum buy is from 30,000 to 33,000. So I have not that money because this is very high amount. Okay, now we are going to search which the lowest person which are there, so we can sell our USDT for RS 1000 etc. You can see this person has also 10,000 limit. Yes, and you can also you can see this person has 50,000, 10,000, 50,000, 40,000, 30,000, 10,000, 5,000. We are searching that person which have minimum limit is 1,000 to or 5,000 etc. We are going to search. You can also find which person receive which thing, because which payment method, like bank payment. You can see bank payment and UPI. You can see that person receive bank payment, UPI and Bhim UPI. Yes. Okay. Now I again warn you, don't release your crypto before you don't receive your payment in your bank account. You can also search price, which price this person is selling. You can search current price of USDT on Google, and after that you can see your you can sell your USDT for that much more price than the actual price. And you can also I find one person, this person is also minimum limit is 20,000, 1 lakh, 10,000. Again I tell you, don't release your crypto, means don't release your USDT before you don't receive your money in your bank account, because many scams are also going there in Binance app. So I found one person which has a limit of 1,000 rupees. So I say, I check that person is legit or not. What is the steps to check that person is legit or not? We are going to check that person completion, and see that person is 4 trades only. So that person is not legit, because we cannot trust that person which do only 4 trades. So we are going to found that person which have at least, this person is verified, which have at least 5,000 to 1,000 trades. So we can trust on that person. Okay, this is basic, so you can also find by yourself. Okay, now we are searching for the person which have a minimum limit of 1,000 to 1,000 to 500 etc. This person has limit of 1 lakh. We find CryptoZilla. Okay, this person has also good price, 82.26 INR. Yes, this person has also good completion rate. This person do 1000. Where is going this is updated in 5 second 10 seconds, so we are struggling to do. The price is updating after every 10 second to 50 second. Okay, I found that person, CryptoZilla. This has also good completion rate. Now I have to enter my quantity. Simply click on all. This person has a limit of 12.15 USDT to 121.56 USDT. I have not enough money in my Binance account, so I am going to simply click on your payment method where you want to receive your payment. You can add also, you can see which payment method is accepted by that seller, because many sellers accept only bank payment, many sellers accept only UPI payments, so you can check it by yourself. See, I have already added many options of payment. Okay, now this is not my video, this is my another friend video. I tell you how he sold USDT. Simply click on all option, and simply click on select a payment method option, where you can see which payment method is supported. The upper side is supported payment method, the lower side is payment method not supported. So you can add all payment method. After that you can see which payment method is supported. After you add payment methods, click on sell USDT option. Simply click on sell USDT option. Okay, you can see this is in pending payments. After the 30 minutes is gone, this will be automatic cancel if the seller don't send you payment, then that USDT comes to your wallet again. So wait for the seller reply. You can also chat with the seller on click on the chat option, so you can chat with him. But remember, don't don't click on receive payment. After you got payment in your bank account, then after you can release your crypto, release your USDT. You can see this person. You can hi, you can give me hi, are you online? You can chat with him. uh, Yes, yeah, he releases crypto. You can see that message, he released crypto. But remember, please check your bank account again. You got payment or not? Okay. You can also demand a screenshot with him. But remember, first check that you receive payment in your bank account or not. After you receive payment, click on confirm receipt option. Then the USDT is successfully sold and you receive your payment in your bank account successfully. So now so it is done. You sell your USDT and receive your lucky part-time payment in your bank account.